Rigoletto is an opera in 3 acts by Giuseppe Verdi. The Italian libretto was written by Francesco Maria Piave based on the 1832 play Le Roi s'amuse by Victor Hugo. Despite serious initial problems with the Austrian censors who had control over northern Italian theaters at the time, the opera had a triumphant premiere at La Fenice in Venice on 11 March 1851. The work, Verdi's 16th in this genre, is widely considered to be the first of the operatic masterpieces of Verdi's middle to late career. Its tragic story revolves around the licentious Duke of Mantua, his hunchbacked court jester Rigoletto, and Rigoletto's daughter Gilda. The opera's original title, La Maledizione, refers to a curse placed on both the Duke and Rigoletto by a courtier whose daughter the Duke has seduced with Rigoletto's encouragement. The curse comes to fruition when Gilda falls in love with the Duke and sacrifices her life to save him from the assassin hired by her father. La Fenice of Venice commissioned Verdi in 1850 to compose a new opera. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.